Hello YouTube, I have a Hyper Go H16BM from MJX. Has the black body on it. I'm recording it myself, controlling the remote with one hand, which I think everybody can imagine it's not that easy. Nice jump over there. So yeah, just having some fun in this construction site. Neighbor is building a swimming pool, and I thought, well, couldn't pass on this pile of rocks. The MJX H16BM is a 16 scale monster truck 4x4. It's so much fun. So enjoy the video here. I'm bringing up next in a few weeks a completely new truck, which is the H14BM, larger truck and way more powerful than this one. By the way, this is running on 2S, and you can see that it's already pretty hard to control a straight line. 3S becomes basically impossible to keep it going straight. Such a fun toy or RC vehicle. Very, very cool. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you liked. Consider subscribing. Leave your comment, question, like, dislike, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.